Hello, my friends. This is Sandy, and this video is going to walk us through my Woven Textures 6-page workshop. Now, you will need some kind of sentiments. I used the Happiness is Here stamp sets from Album Retreat, but whatever sentiments make you happy, that's what you can use. If you got the full 6-page kit, you have these embellishments in your kit too, a row of butterflies, 2 rows of the current in color dots. You've got 3 pages of punch outs, real simple and easy to just punch these out and use them as you go. And kit number 1. So here you've got all the pieces you need on these 2 pieces of 12 by 12 and everything above it to make these 2 pages. So I sanded the gorgeous grape cardstock to reveal the white core. And these are all centered in the middle, these 2.5-inch strips. And I've curled them using a paintbrush. Paintbrushes tend to be much narrower than a pencil or a pen or something like that. So I've just put those in there and curled each one of the ends, giving us that border. So get those 8 pieces down, curled, placed the way you like them. Add your photo mats, and then we've got our clusters of goodness using the embellishments that all came, the die cuts, all the different flourish embellishments that are die cut for you ahead of time. These ones here are all from that Moonlit Flora. Absolutely amazing, those die cuts. All right, so that's that one. Oh, I should tell you, all of these different like flower and Easter type looking things came from the Easter time ephemera pack. All right, so that's those first 2 pages. The next 2 are the pink pages. So again, everything you need, all of the embellishments and doodads and what have you are there. And this one goes like this. So here, your 4-inch piece, then the 5 by 10, that 2.5-inch by 10 piece. Again, sanding. I sanded on the opposite side. Oh no, I still did the pop-up. So I sanded both of those 2.5 by 10 pieces. Your 2-inch by 11, the 5 by 10, the 2.5 by 10. So get that bottom layer down first. Once your bottom layer is down, then you could add your photo wells and again, your clusters of fun. So the stamp banner up here with a cluster of flowers. Down here, we've got our watering can with, again, some flourishes coming out from there. A little flourish popping up here, and then the rest of them down here in the cluster. Okay, and then for our third set of pages with this kit, again, everything you need right here, all of the different layered pieces. You're going to put those yellow pearlized pieces along the top, your 1/2 or your 1/2-inch pieces underneath that, your gold. And I don't know if you saw, but I did run that gold through the embossing folder, the Moonlit Flora embossing folder. Isn't that fun? How that picks up all the gorgeous embossing from that right on the glitter paper. Okay, glimmer paper. Then we've got our 6 by 10-inch piece that's going to go underneath that. So 1, 2, 3, then these ones. Add your photo wells and 1, 2, 3 different clusters. I did a sentiment there too. Whenever you're doing sentiments over top of pictures, make sure you're not putting sticky underneath where the picture is going to go, unless your picture is all ready to stick on there. That's it for this one, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're doing just the 2-page kits, what you're going to do if you don't have all the embellishments that I used, go ahead and look at your collection and figure out what embellishments from your goodies you can pop right on there and use some of your stash. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about this kit.